Every day, millions of people struggle with machines. From confusing home appliances to complex industrial tools, when controls are foreign or broken, frustration begins. Introducing the Universal Device Analyst, the first AI vision system designed not just to see, but to understand and protect. Upload a photo, and it instantly bridges the gap. It translates foreign labels, interprets cryptic error codes, and explains everything clearly in your own language. It turns confusion into a simple solution, but its most critical feature is safety-first intelligence. In a world where AI can make dangerous mistakes, we built a zero-risk policy. It intelligently distinguishes between a safe, simple fix and a life-threatening hazard. It acts as a rigid safety firewall, ensuring that convenience never comes at the cost of human safety. It also adapts to you. Beginners get simple, reassurance-focused steps. Experts get technical depth. This isn't just a repair tool. It is responsible AI. Technology that solves problems while prioritizing human life above all else. This is the Universal Device Analyst.